time to feed Baby Pig his jammin' orange carrot cake so he can play a fantastic farm song. Aww, it's okay, itty-bitty Baby Pig. Don't cry.
Is somebody hungry? Does somebody want his jammin' orange carrot cake?
Sweet patty cakes! The jammin' orange carrot cake lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. Here's another color. Is this orange? That's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Well, bless my barn. You got it. You found the jammin' carrot cake's orange color.
Now Baby Pig can play his fantastic farm song.
We're on our way to feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat her purple crafty cauliflower so she can come up with an amazing idea for her painting. Oh, are you having trouble thinking of something to paint, little goat?
Don't worry, Baby Goat. Once you have some purple crafty cauliflower, you'll have a ton of ideas for what to paint. Chirping chickens!
The crafty cauliflower is missing its purple color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the crafty cauliflower's missing purple color. Does this look like purple? No, that's yellow. Let's try this one. Is this purple? No, I'm not seeing purple. I'm seeing green. We should try this one. Is this the color purple? Pow! You picked it! You found the crafty cauliflower's missing purple color.
Now that Baby Goat's had a bite of purple crafty cauliflower, she's gonna feel so inspired and ready to paint. We're headed across the barnyard to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat some orange strength sweet potatoes, so he'll have the strength to knock down a giant block tower.
That was a good try, Baby Pig.
But it looks like you could use some help. Ready for your orange strength sweet potatoes?
They'll give you the strength to knock over that whole block tower. Lickety-split. Here you go.
The orange strength sweet potatoes are missing their orange color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. We need to pick again. Are the sweet potatoes orange now? No, that's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Hovering honeybees, you got it. You found the strength sweet potatoes missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange strength sweet potatoes, you'll finally have the strength to knock over that block tower.
We've got to get Baby Pony her prancing purple potato pie so she could dance like a ballerina.
Little Baby Pony, that was quite a tumble. Are you hurt?
You're just feeling a little frustrated, aren't you?
Oh, don't worry, baby pony.
We brought you a prancing purple potato pie so you can finally twirl and leap like a real ballerina. How perplexing! Where could the purple possibly be?
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the right color? No, that's not purple. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this purple? No, that's red. But what about this color? Perfect! That's it! You found the Prancing Potato Pie's purple color.
Wow, baby pony! You're gonna be a real ballerina in no time!
Come on! We're gonna go feed baby goat. She needs to eat her pink posing power pomegranate so she can do amazing poses for her photo shoot. Hiya, baby goat. Looks like you're almost ready for your photo shoot.
You just need one more thing. A pink power pomegranate to help you pose.
Rooster feathers!
The pomegranate's pink color. It's gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the power pomegranate's missing pink color. Is this the color pink? No, that's orange. We need to pick again. Did we find the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try another color. Did we find the color pink? Hoppin' hay bales! You did it! You found the posing power pomegranate's pink color.
Yee-haw! Now baby goat can do the perfect poses for her photo shoot. On our way to feed baby pig.
Wait. We need some orange melody mango so he can hit the stage and sing.
Oh, your singing is sounding so sweet, baby pig.
And once you have some orange melody mango, you'll be able to sing like a little piggy pop star.
Oh, for A's sake, the orange melody mango has lost its orange color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help finding the missing orange color. Is this the color orange? No, that's green. We should try another color. What about this one? Did we find orange? No, that's red. Let's try this color. Hooray! You got it! You found the Melody Mango's missing orange color.
Now that you've had your orange melody mango, you'll be a singing sensation.
Giddy up, gang. We're on our way to feed baby goat.
She needs some yummy red Robo radishes so she can do the robot dance.
Oh no, Mia. Our sweet little baby goat turned into a goat butt.
We'll get your battery charged for robot dancing with some red Robo radishes.
Oh, racing rodeos. The red Robo radishes have lost their red color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat find the missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's brown. We need to try a different color. Did we find the color red? No, that's yellow. But what about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Robo radishes missing red color.
Now Baby Goat can power up her robot dance.
Howdy, friend! You're just in time to help us feed Baby Pig.
He needs to eat his groovy green grapes so he can find his groove and dance, dance, dance.
Oh, poor Baby Pig. Are you okay?
You're having trouble dancing, huh? Well, not to worry. You just need some groovy green grapes to help you find the rhythm. Oh, quick, golly gosh! The groovy grapes have lost their green color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing green color? Great. Let's try this color. Did we turn the grapes green? No, that's orange. We should pick another color. What about this color? Is this the color green? That's the color brown, but maybe it's this color? Great work, gang! You got it! You found the Groovy Grapes green color.
You're finally feeling the groove, aren't you, Baby Pig?
It's time to feed our friend Baby Pig.
He needs to eat some red sprouting salsa to help his flowers grow.
Whoa, it looks like someone's flowers are taking a while to sprout.
Then it's a good thing we brought you this red sprouting salsa.
Oh,
They've been lassos. The sprouting salsa has lost its red color.
We've got to find the sprout and salsa's missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's blue. How about we try a new color? Did we find the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the sprout and salsa's missing red color.
now that he's had some red sprouting salsa, Baby Pig's flowers are gonna grow and grow.
Hey there, Barnyard buddy! Wanna help us feed Baby Pig? He needs to eat his magical orange mango so he can do an amazing magic trick!
Ooh, Baby Pig, are you trying to do the disappearing flower trick?
Aw, don't get discouraged, Baby Pig. Learning a magic trick takes a lot of practice.
And a bite of magical orange mango will help too.
Well, bless my barn! The magical mango has lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Did we turn the mango orange? No, that's blue. We should pick another color. What about this color? Is this the color orange? No, that's the color red. Let's try this color. Is this orange? Me, oh my, you got it! You found the magical mango's missing orange color.
Now that he's had some magical orange mango, Baby Pig's trick is sure to work.
We're on our way to feed Baby Goat. Let's go! She needs to eat her green fix-it farm apples so she can fix her busted bubble wand.
Looks like your bubble wand is finally working again, Baby Goat.
Don't worry, Baby Goat. You just need a bite of green fix-it farm apples.
Yeah, they're exactly what you need to get that bubble wand bubbling like new.
Great golly gosh! The fix-it farm apples have lost their green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Fix-It Farm apple's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's brown. Let's try another color. Are the apples green now? They aren't. That's the color pink. We'll have to try another color. What about this one? Great work, gang! You did it! You found the Fix-It Farm apple's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green fix-it farm apples, we can get that bubble wand going again. It's time to feed our friend Baby Pony. Yeehaw! She needs to eat some red whistling watermelon so she can whistle a beautiful tune. Don't give up, Baby Pony. Whistling is really tricky.
Maybe some red whistling watermelon will help you find your whistle. Recent rodeos! The whistling watermelon has lost its red color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Maybe we should try this color. Wahoo! You did it! You found the whistling watermelon's missing red color.
Want to try whistling again, Baby Pony?
Hey, Baby Pony!
Oh, hey there! Mia and I are on our way to feed Baby Goat. We're bringing her some pink perfect pitch papaya so she can write her very own song. Don't cry, Baby Goat. You'll write a great song soon.
You just need some pink perfect pitch papaya to help you craft that tune.
Whistling wheat straw. The perfect pitch papaya is missing its pink color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat find the missing pink color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We need to pick again. Is the papaya pink now? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this one? Bouncing bunnies! You got it! You found the perfect pitch papaya's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink perfect pitch papaya, you're ready to write the best song
time to feed our friend Baby Goat. Let's go. She needs her green super spinning salsa to help her land her awesome spinning ballet move.
That was a great try, Baby Goat. You'll land that amazing spin soon. I know it.
And guess what we brought to help? Your green super spinning salsa. It'll help you do the best spin you ever spun.
Muffin hay bales! The super spinning salsa is missing its green color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the super spinning salsa's green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's red. We need to try a different color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked blue. Let's try to find green one more time. Twirlerific! That's it! You found the super spinning salsa's missing green color.
Now that you've had some green super spinning salsa, you can spin and spin without knocking down your castle. We're gonna feed Baby Pony. Come with us. She needs some jam and yellow yuka fries so she can play beautiful songs on the banjo.
Aw, you want to try playing my banjo, Baby Pony? Well, sure. Don't be sad, Baby Pony. You just need to practice.
And you need some jam and yellow yuka fries, too! Rooster feathers! The jam and yuka fries are missing their yellow color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing yellow color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? Not quite. That's pink. We need to pick again. Is the yuka yellow now? No, that's purple. But what about this color? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the jam and yuka fries missing yellow color.
Yippee! Ready to give it another try, Baby Pony?
Well, howdy there, friend. We're on our way to feed Baby Goat. She needs some Rockstar red raspberries to help her reach those high notes. What's that sound?
It's Baby Goat! She sang so much, she tired out her voice.
Well, then it's a good thing we brought some Rockstar red raspberries.
Yeah! These raspberries will have you hitting those high notes in no time, Baby Goat.
Holler and hoedowns! The Rockstar raspberries have lost their red color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Rockstar raspberries missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's orange. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color red? Looks like we picked blue, not red. Let's try one more time. Waving windmills. That's it. You found the Rockstar raspberries missing red color.
Now that you've had some of those Rockstar red raspberries, you should be ready to rock the boat baby animals. Wanna join us?
Come on!
Baby Pony needs her breezy brown brownies so she can make her bubbles fly high in the sky. Nay!
Oh no, Baby Pony wants the bubbles to float higher, but they keep popping.
Then it's a good thing we brought you some breezy brown brownies.
They'll help your bubbles soar higher than 10 stacked tractors. Oh, Scamper and Scarecrows! The breezy brownies are missing their brown color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the breezy brownies' missing brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's yellow. Why don't we try a different color? What about this one? Is this the color brown? No, that's not brown. That's green. Let's pick again. Did we find brown? Dancing dandelions, you did it! You found the breezy brownies' missing brown color.
Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Come on, let's go feed Baby Goat.
She needs her bubbling blue blueberries so she can make bubbles for a bubble party. Oh, Baby Goat, are you having trouble blowing bubbles?
Well, not to worry. We've brought some fresh picked, bubbling blue blueberries.
Oh, bless my barn! The bubbling blue blueberries have lost their blue color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the bubbling blueberries' blue color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. Let's try again. What about this color? Does this look like blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? Is this the color blue? Leaping lassos, you got it. You found the bubbling blueberries' blue color.
Finally! Baby Goat can have her bubble party!
Baby Pony needs to eat her blue striped sushi roll so she can do her new terrific tumble roll trick.
Oh, big stretch, Baby Pony. Are you ready to do your tumble roll?
Oh, that was a great try. Maybe this will help. We brought your favorite blue striped sushi roll. Oh, for Hay's sake, the sushi roll lost its blue color.
Don't worry, itty bitty baby. We can fix this.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's not blue. That's yellow. We need to try again. Is this the color blue? That's not blue. That's red. But what about this one? Is this blue? Bingo! That's it! You found the sushi roll's blue color.
Now Baby Pony can do all sorts of rolls. We're on our way to feed our friend, Baby Goat.
Let's giddy up and goat! She needs to eat a rhythmic red salsa before she does her salsa dance. Oh, baby goat is so cute when she dances.
Hiya, you little itty-bitty baby goat. Guess what? We brought you your favorite rhythmic red salsa with
Tortilla chips!
this red salsa will help you dance even better. Here you go. Oh!
Oh no! The rhythmic salsa's red color is gone!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Rhythmic salsa's red color. Is this the color red? No, that's blue. Let's keep trying. What about this one? Is this red? No, that's the color pink. We need to try again. What about this color? Yeehaw! That's it! You found the Rhythmic salsa's red color.
Now you can salsa dance all day long.
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.